In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new stack for a notebook using the options menu in Evernote. To get started, open the Evernote website in your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all of your navigation options are visible and ready to use. This helps make the process smoother, especially if you have a lot of notes and notebooks stored in your account. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Notebooks. This will take you to the area where all of your notebooks are listed. If you use Evernote often, this section may contain quite a few notebooks, so take a moment to find the specific notebook you want to place into a new stack. A stack is a useful way to organize related notebooks together, which can make your workspace cleaner and easier to manage. Once you've found the notebook you want to use, look for the three dots icon next to its name. This is the More Actions menu. Click that icon to open a drop-down list of options connected to that notebook. From the menu that appears, select Add to Stack. This tells Evernote that you want to place the notebook inside a stack rather than leaving it on its own. After that, a secondary set of options will appear. In this list, click New Stack. This is the option you'll use when you want to create a brand new stack instead of adding the notebook to one that already exists. It's a simple step, but it's important because it lets you build a fresh organizational category right from the Notebooks menu. Now type the name you want to use for your new stack. Choose a name that clearly describes the group of notebooks you plan to keep there. For example, you might organize stacks by project, department, topic, or personal use. A clear name will make it much easier to find things later. Once you've entered the stack name, click Create. Evernote will immediately create the new stack and place your selected notebook inside it. That's all there is to it. Using the options menu is a quick and convenient way to organize your notebooks into stacks without leaving the notebook list. If you want a more organized Evernote workspace, this is a great habit to start using regularly